diabetes, cholesterol, or hypertension, don't worry, I have the perfect snacks to go so you can keep healthy, feeling good, and having food right away, just in your purse and super fast to make. Boiled eggs are the perfect snack to go. They taste delicious, even cold. You can have them with a little salt, a little chili powder, or some buffalo sauce. My husband loves them with buffalo sauce. So let's make the perfect boiled eggs. You can keep them in the fridge and take them with you at any time. Bring water to boil and then add about 4 pinches of salt or a little splash of vinegar. That is gonna help you to keep the egg inside the shell in case it breaks. Now, let it boil for 10 minutes. Then place a container with water, ice, and place the eggs inside and let them rest for about 4 minutes. After that, you will see how easy it is to peel these hard-boiled eggs. They are delicious and are the perfect snack, so always keep them handy in your fridge. Take your jicama, peel it, and cut it in sticks. So here's the secret to have crunchy and fresh jicama for the whole week. Just keep them inside a container filled with water. Yes, this has to be submerged in water and it's gonna stay crunchy and fresh for longer. Remember to always keep it in the fridge and use it anytime you're hungry. Cucumber is also a great ally. Peel the cucumber, get rid of the seeds, and cut in sticks. And now let's cut the lime in half. Lime gives a terrific flavor to your veggies. Chili powder is the secret to have all your veggies tasting good. Have a small container that can help you to have it handy. Strawberries have a low glycemic index, so you can have them. 5 strawberries is the portion. So we can have our boiled eggs. We're gonna have some strawberries. We're gonna have jicama, cucumber, our chili powder, our lime. So this is the easy way to keep your snacks fresh for very long days. And the thing is that you can take it with you anywhere. It's fresh, it's delicious. And remember that the secret is to have it ready. Because if you are hungry and you have to boil the eggs or to cut the jicama or the cucumber, by the time you're done, you're eating something else. So let's try to stay as healthy as we can. Remember that you can find all my recipes in English as Mexican Food by Laura in Instagram, TikTok, and on my blog, MexicanFoodByLaura.com, when I have many options special for people with diabetes, high cholesterol, high pressure, and any other condition. And to keep the strawberries fresh, just keep them in their container. Remember that they don't like humidity, so you actually just wash them before, just rinse them before you eat them. Okay, I hope you enjoy, and I see you next Tuesday with more delicious recipes here at Mexican Food by Laura. All my recipes in Spanish are as las recetas de Laura. Find me on TikTok, Instagram, and my blog, MexicanFoodByLaura.com. Blessings!